Hello viewers and welcome to today's video. And in today's video I'm actually going to talk about the exterior angles of triangles. Exterior angles of triangles. And actually I'm also going to solve problems on exterior angle theorem, that is on geometry. Okay, let us start. When we talk about exterior angle of a triangle, the exterior angle of a triangle is the sum of two remote interior angles. Okay, let us consider this diagram. When we have a diagram this way, and we have here as A, we have here B, then we have here as C, then we have here as K. We try to consider this side A and B as what we call what? The remote interior angles. Remote interior angles. Okay, then we consider C as a normal what? Interior angle. We consider C as a normal interior angle. Then what actually is going to happen here is that the K here, which is outside, as we all know, is called what? An exterior angle. Okay, actually I'm going to take examples so that I can actually open up your understanding. Let us take an example like this. When we have something like this, when we have this diagram per se, where we have 30 degrees here, 70 degrees here, then let me consider here to be K, then let me consider here to be W, then I consider here to be K. Then they asked us to find K and W. We should find K and W. It's nothing so difficult. It's nothing so difficult. We can solve this per the definition that we know. We can solve this per the definition that what we know, or we can also solve it in two different ways. Let us take, for example, when we want to solve this per the definition we know, the definition is telling us that the exterior angle of a triangle is the sum of the two remote interior angles. So from the definition, it means that when we want K, our K is equal to what? 30 degrees plus our what? 70 degrees. So our K here will give us what? 100 degrees. Straightforward. So we have gotten the value of what? K. This is the shortcut in solving this question. And when you have gotten to this side, you can also now tell yourself that per my basic understanding in geometry, I know that angles on a straight line add up to what? 180. So it means that angle on a straight line add up to 180. So it means that the angle making up this way, that's W and K, should be giving me what? 180. So if I want W and I know my K, I know that angles on a straight line add up to 180. So it means that W plus K should give me what? 180 degrees. So my W is equal to my 180 degrees minus my K. And I know my K to be what? 100 degrees. So my W is now equal to 180 degrees minus my 100 degrees. So my W in degrees is now what? 80 degrees. So simple. That is geometry for you. So simple. We can also take this same question into a different, we can also have an alternative solution for this. Let us look at the alternative. Another way we can solve this question is, let's look at the question. We know that the sum of interior angles of a triangle add up to what? 180. So we know that 30 degrees plus 70 degrees plus W degrees should be giving me what? 180 degrees. So I know that 30 plus 70 is 100. So I have my 100 degrees plus my W degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So I now know that my W in degrees is equal to what? 180 degrees minus my 100 degrees. So my W in degrees is equal to what? 80 degrees. I've also gotten it so simple. So simple. Okay. So simple. So as I've gotten my W at this stage, I still know that angles on a straight line add up to what? 180. So now my 180 degrees is equal to what? My W, which is what? 80 degrees plus my what? K degrees. So I know that K would now be equal to 180 degrees minus 80 degrees. So my K in degrees will be equal to what? 100 degrees. We can see that in these two different solutions, we have gotten the values of each variable to be the same, which means that this is a rectified solution. So we can see that our K here is 100 degrees. We can see the K here is 100 degrees. We can see our W here is what? 80 degrees. Our W here is also what? 80 degrees. Thank you, viewers. And this is the first example on this. And actually, I'm going to do a different example in the next video. So don't forget to kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the notification bell. As soon as I drop any latest video, you're actually going to enjoy. God bless you. Bye bye, and don't forget to visit my YouTube channel, Ultimate Mathematics Frederick. God bless you. Wish you all. Bye.